Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a no mirror makeup challenge. Okay, so I know this trend has been like years ago, but then I just found out about the no mirror makeup challenge now. So I'm gonna try it out and I want you guys to come on this journey of this no mirror makeup challenge with moi. And if ever, I want you guys to try it out too, and let me know if you guys try it out and see what happens with your makeup after you... Never mind. Yeah. Just let me know how it goes after that challenge, you know. Because I challenge you guys to do this no mirror makeup challenge. Anyone can do this. Anyone. So, no mirror anywhere, like none. And I'm going to cover this viewfinder because I'm going to be just staring at this little hole here. And then let's see how it goes. I'm going to cover you guys. Cover this finder, and then we'll start. So we're going to go with just some normal makeup. Foundation, eyeshadow, blush, contour, mascara, lipstick. Those. That's just the common. And the eyeliner is very tricky. So let's start this. Hello. Okay, I think you guys are covered up. Okay, now that you guys are covered up, I'm going to go with foundation. This is so interesting. Okay, let's put a dollop of that. I don't know where on my face. Let's put a dollop of that here. Should I like go closer? Yeah, put a dollop. This is so interesting. Okay, so I don't know who came up with these challenges, but oh dang. I don't even know if I'm like blending this right. This is... Should I get some more? Should I put more? Guys, tell me. If only you guys could tell me like where to put more foundation. I honestly think the eyeliner is going to be the trickiest. I think I got that down. I have no idea if I don't think I got that down. Should put more. Comment down below if I'm going to be looking like a clown. If I look like a clown already, because I feel like I am, like legit. Okay, I have no idea if this is like blended or not. No idea. Definitely look like a clown. Okay, like legit look like a clown. Okay, so foundation done. Yeah, let's go with the contour. Snap. Whoa, dude. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, snap. I'm dropping stuff, guys. I'm dropping stuff. Look, contour, so we got them. Okay. Let's put that. Lord. Wait, I don't know if this is contour. It's just bronzer. I have no idea. You can't even say eyeballing it because I see nothing. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea at all. Freehanding everything. Oh, and before anything, guys, subscribe, click that notification bell, and so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to do that again. Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the exploration station. Here is your ticket. Now let's get back to the challenge. Okay, contour done. Gosh, I don't even know what's next. Blush? Yeah, I think blush is good. We go with blush. We go with the eyes layer because I want that to be last. Because I know that's going to be the hardest of all. Oh, why am I contouring the blush? Lord. Okay. I like to know someone who perfected this challenge. I doubt, honestly. I doubt there's someone who perfected this no mirror challenge. Okay. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Okay. So, I'm just gonna cover that with a base first. I look funny, I know I do. Covering. I look horrid. I'm excited for the reveal later. I look so horrid. I'm just feeling up my face. Just feeling the face. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, now that's done. God. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's go for... You know what? We go bold. This is the exploration station, so we go bold with the colors. I'm gonna go with a mix of magenta and orange. I'm gonna mix those two together and just see what happens. I don't even know anymore. This is like supposed to be on the lid, so we put that on the lid. Put that maroon on the lid. I felt that look again. I guess I know my face after all. I think. Let me know, guys, if you like this challenge already, because I have no idea what it looks like. But I know for a fact I look like a clown. Alright! We go with the orange. With the orange. And then probably put that orange in the corner. I have no idea. Just freehanding everything. Does not feel nice. Does not look nice at all. Okay. I think that went overboard. Okay. I think. Let's blend that. Just blend that in. We're gonna give ourselves like a quick nose line. Quick nose line. Let me know if you guys have any like challenges in mind that you want to challenge me to, because I'm up for it. This is the exploration station. I think I'm contouring too much. I'm weird. Now we go for the eyeliner. My trusty eyeliner. Help me with the eyeliner. Oh my gosh. This looks so... Oh. Oh, it's ugly already. I can feel it. Oh my gosh, did I just... Gosh, that is ugly already. I think it was a bad idea that I used eyeliner on this one. This challenge. Because, I told you guys this was the trickiest. I have no idea already. I have no idea. Like, you know what? Let's just go with like a black shadow and just try to fill that in. Oh, this is so horrid. This is so horrible. Oh, it's not even Halloween yet. Okay, my. First time. Mascara. I have no idea already. I think I'm like spilling the mascara on my eyes already. And then I got the nerve to curl my lashes. Ouch! I'm pinching my eyelid! That doesn't feel nice. I don't know if I'm curling the lashes. Am I? That does not look like. Now with the lipstick. And then I coat it with another color, which is like a lighter matte nude. Sorry, it looks like a nude. Okay. And of course, we gotta do a highlight. Let's just rub that in. Brush the brows. Brows in. And try to. This is so horrid. Like legit horrid. I look legit like intense. Once I'm done, I'm gonna bring in the mirror. I'm gonna bring in the mirror. This, reveal, the great reveal. What was I gonna do now? Oh, highlight. Yes. Let's go. My favorite highlight. Okay. On the nosies. Up there. Okay. What? What was that? Got carried away, guys. Okay. I'll be back with the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to take this cover off. I'm not gonna look at it yet. I'm gonna be looking down, and my mirror is like right here, behind, right here. I'm gonna be looking down there. There's nothing down there. It's just like doggy's water bowl down there, and then I'm gonna take this off. And we'll both. We'll look at it. Okay. Oh my lord. Dang, bruh. That's not nice. That is not nice at all. That was okay though. I'll show you. I mean, like, that's not nice. If only I took this out, it'll be okay. Yeah. Oh, that's not nice at all. The shadow is all over the place. I didn't even blend my foundation in good. And yeah, I should have went with a bolder lip. And my eyebrows look a mess. Eep, not good. So yeah, that's the look, guys. That's the no mirror makeup challenge. So, if you guys have done better than I did, show me, comment down below, or like send a link of your video. I'm gonna watch it, and because I think you guys done better than me, and like whatever. On that note, guys, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? And yeah, please do comment down below what you guys want to see next in terms of challenges, like makeup challenges or any challenges at all. It doesn't have to be makeup, it doesn't have to be anything fashion, or maybe fashion, I don't know, whatever. Just comment down below challenges because I am down to do challenges. And do leave a like on this video, it'll help your girl out, like legit. This is the look, guys. I didn't even blend everything right. My shadow is all over the place. So yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.